In this lesson, we'll add a shape using the Polygonal Lasso tool. Let's turn off the ring layer, the shadow, and the photograph of the girl, and let's make a new layer that's under the ring shadow layer, and we're going to name it Shape and press Return. We're going to create this shape right here. Turn off the dark layer so we can select this color. Click on the foreground color, which opens up the color picker, and by default, it gives us the eyedropper. Let's click on that color and then click OK. That puts the color in the foreground color. Let's turn on the guide so we can find out where the middle of the design is. Do a Command H. Next, let's get the Polygonal Lasso tool. So the shape back here goes back to a point right about here. So let's click there. Now let's follow this diagonal line and go off the canvas over here. Go down and the design will go up. Let's click here, then click over here, click here at this point, and then go up diagonally to close up the shape. Let's fill that shape in with that foreground color. Make sure that you're on the shape layer when we do this. Do Edit, Fill, and then click on the Contents drop down and click on Foreground Color. And then click OK. Command D to deselect. This lesson will continue in the next video.